Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by holding on the lock screen background to enter the Edit UI. This is faster than opening settings. Once the screen animates into Customize, tap Customize or Add to begin. You should see widget zones under the clock. Tap a zone to open the widget picker. Make sure your iPad OS is up to date so available widgets match installed apps. If a widget category is missing, close Apps and retry. You can now select the first widget to place it into the slot. Now use the widget picker to pick what you want. Search or scroll to find app widgets and review offered sizes. Once you tap a widget, it fills the slot. If you prefer another size, tap the size option before adding. To rearrange, press and drag within the widget area until the layout reads well. To remove, tap the minus or tap and drag out. Keep accessibility and glanceability in mind so your layout surfaces the most useful info at a glance. Finish by tapping Done, then lock and wake the iPad to confirm widgets display correctly. If a widget shows outdated info, open its app to refresh data and make sure background app refresh is enabled for that app. This resolves most stale content. If a widget won't appear or crashes, remove it and add it again, and as a last resort, restart the iPad. These steps fix almost all issues. If problems persist, update iPad OS or check app permissions for widget access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.